What's up guys, Manuel here and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. Today as you can see we are at SM Department Store and I have another guest and here he is, Mr. Santa Maria in the house. So last time in his vlog, he challenged me for the under 6,000 sneakers and now it's my time to challenge him. And the challenge is find an outfit 1,000 or below inside this SM department store. So, Sean, are you in for that challenge?
It's gonna be difficult, but I'm up for it. You defeated me the last time, and my goal in this episode is to win. It's not gonna be easy. 1K. It's not gonna be
Now,
easy.
what we're gonna do is give each of us 10 minutes to check out what we want. And we have to make sure that the total price of the outfit is below 1,000 pesos. So let's go.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Mahal pala ng mga ganito.
How much is it?
1,999. Hindi kasi mahal ng mga Levi's yung mga imported.
But still,
brands.
1,000
Hirap magmukhang Coco Martin pala. Pass muna yan. Definitely over 1,900. Hanap pa tayo.
Washing.
Ayan, I love the city of Washington, D.C. Punta ako ng D.C. mga 2 years ago. Love the city. In fact, pag may place na mag-retire ako,
Washington.
Washington, gusto ko that area, Washington, Maryland. Ano ba to? 299, medyo pasok.
Pasok sa
Pero,
budget.
Yeah. But I'll be honest with you, medyo baduy ang pagkakalapat eh. Sana ko mas maliit. Hanap pa tayo.
Ito, Chicago.
Lagyan mo na ng gano'n, no? She. Hello.
Hi.
Left.
Cali Life.
Okay, ito. 299, the same price. California is always a good idea. Ito pa, meron din live in the Cali life. Never been to California, right? And that's the point of this shirt. Parang you have a piece of California with you, so to speak. Pero tingnan natin, baka may mas pasok pa. Okay? So I like this. Mahilig ako sa joggers. It's my style. You know, very versatile on joggers. You can wear it anywhere. Very comfortable. For 699 pesos, I think I'm gonna keep this. This leaves 300 pesos sa budget. And sigurado may 300 peso shirt dito. Tara.
Okay. Sobra. 100.
Panalo. For 400 pesos may...
Actually, the quality is, nice.
Lagyan mo na lang nung butiki, oh. Lakos. Ayan. I think I have my shirt. 300
Yan na?
pesos, 700 pesos. Both
Uy.
gray, but different shades. Pero
Pasok.
Pasok to. Now, let's put this on and let's see how it looks. I should have gotten one size up. Medium to eh, pero obviously mas maganda ang fit kung large, but it kind of works. Gray on gray.
So are you happy with what you got?
Pwede to, muted, simple, walang complexities.
Then the sneakers makes the pop, diba?
Yep, mas pinipida niya yung sneakers. So, yeah.
Below 1,000 pesos, mukhang mahirap to ah. Mukhang mahirap kung matapatan tong ganitong...
May sukli pa akong piso. 299.50, 699.50, may 1 peso pa ako may pang-candy.
Panalo. Okay, thank you. Mahal pala nito.
Zoo York yan, oh.
$5.99. Dream big, play hard.
Nice.
I think I found the shirt. Be Young and Wild. I went for a more colorful vibe. So I think this fits me well. And now it's time to get the autumn. So let's go. Checking my size. So I got this black pants match with this pink or peach shirt. So I'll test it out and let's see how it looks.
Right here, right now. Fitting room. Oh, sige. Yan, pwede.
So we just finished shopping and
Hindi madali, ano?
it was really hard. Medyo ang hirap pala maghanap ng below 1,000 ngayon. Sobrang mahal na mga bilihin natin.
Pero possible.
Possible, pwede pa rin. You can still get a decent outfit with the price of 1,000 pesos.
1,000 not bad, no? You won't expect the quality to be top-notch, of course. But with 1,000 sa SM department store, you know what you're getting. It is possible. Pareho kaming may top tsaka bottom.
Bottom, oh. And the price, hindi nagkakalayo.
Hindi. It's very identical yung mga presyo.
Very identical.
Maraming mga articles of clothing na parehong price point. Mga tulad ng t-shirt, $299.
Yeah, $299, yeah.
So,
Parehas lang kami ng shirt na price na nakuha. We have $299. However, your pants is how much?
$6.99
$6.99.
jogger.
My pants was naka-sale kasi, nakuha ko ng sale. So it was 600 pesos only. So basically, tong challenge na to, may 3 criteria eh. So first, of course, the price. Sino mas mura. Second, how does it look? Parang overall look of the outfit habang suot. And then the third one, like the other episodes sa channel ni Sean, bibilin ba niya yung binili ko? Or would I buy?
Yeah, would we wear each other's pics?
Oh, yun.
And if you recall that episode, which was on my channel, I would buy the sneaker that he chose. And he would buy mine, however, he would buy it only if it were on sale. That made him the winner. So
actually, with the price point, since pares tayo ng price with the shirt, we have the same price for the shirt, $299. Sa pants nagkatalo. So $699, I have $600. So I got the point for that one. Yay! But then, when I saw the overall look of the outfit that Sean picked, I don't know, I think medyo mas panalo yung kanya. Kasi ang ganda nung yung nag-match siya talaga dun sa sneakers niya, which is yung kanyang New Balance
997.
997 yun. So talagang nag-match. Then ako, I admit na medyo yung shirt ko maroon, tapos black pants, medyo hindi siya masyado nag-match dun sa sa Jordan 1 SB ko. Kasi purple yun eh. Purple. LA
Chicago.
Oh, so medyo hindi siya masyado nag-match. So I think the overall vibe or look ng outfit, si Sean ang panalo. So ngayon, sa third, bibili mo ba yung sa akin? So,
yes, pero hindi ko dating yun eh.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I would have gotten a looser fit of pants siguro. And maybe yung shirt siguro a little looser. So, okay, what I'm saying is, baka hindi, Brad.
Baka hindi.
Not that the outfit was no good. Because basic maroon, black jeans, panalo palagi. But maybe hindi.
Okay. Pero sa akin, actually, I like what you bought. Sobrang simple lang. And sometimes I wear that kind of outfit eh. Meron akong ganyan eh. Meron akong mga outfit na katulad na eksakto nun. So, definitely, kung ganun, pero 1,000 pesos, diba eh, ganun yung look. Nagsusuot ako ng ganun. I wear the same.
Wala pa yung mga tatak-tatak eh.
Oo.
Anonymity, hindi alam kung magkano, maganda naman
exactly.
Masasabi pang 1,000. Maski yung outfit mo eh. Wala naman mga kung ano ng mga...
Actually, that's what we want to achieve here sa SM. No? Kailangan yung hindi mahalata, diba? Kasi at the end of the day, it's not how much you wear, how much you parang paano mo siya dinadala.
Yes.
Diba? It's how you bring it, diba?
Yep.
So medyo malungkot, natalo ako ngayon this time. Panalo congratulations. Ano ba? Ulitin natin. Medyo
Magulo yan.
Yun, nakuha din natin. Thank you so much for joining. Medyo last minute to guys ha. Last night ko lang tinawagan si Sean. So buti naman at pinaunlakan niya tayo.
Pag si Manuela nag-i-invite, pag pwede, pupunta tayo palagi. We've developed this some kind of understanding na may lakad ka ba? Wala.
Pag sakto.
Let's do something. Pag sakto, why not eh?
Oo, syempre. And it goes the same with me. Pag kami ganun din si Sean, I'll always be parang make time for him para, here in YouTube, ano lang naman to eh, tulungan lang naman tayo dito. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed our challenge. So this time, point for Sean. Siya ang nanalo, yay! So siguro sundan pa to. Kailangan tiebreaker tayo, di ba? Yun, sige. Anyway guys, thank you again for watching. Sean, you want to plug again your channel?
Oh yeah, so to the viewers of Manuel, thank you for watching the video and consider subscribing to my channel. Check out my content. We have a joint giveaway. We're giving away a night jogger. This is in partnership with Manuel. So
kailan ba yan?
We're giving it away October 1st.
Okay? Oh, announced on October 1st.
Yeah, simple lang ang mechanics. Subscribe to both of us. Follow us both on Instagram. And there's a link that you should click and you should put your comment there. Doon namin pipiliin yung winner. So yeah, good luck guys.
Napakasimple lang. Yun. And in our channel, we have 2 sneakers that we're giving away. Please check our 250,000 mystery sneaker unboxing. So nandun lang yun, guys. Please watch that video to know more of the mechanics. Anyway, thank you again for watching. I hope you subscribe to both of our channels if you haven't yet, and follow us on all our social media accounts. Until next time.